In this video, I will show you how Tevmo plugin collects energy model and calculates cooling loads for sports building. In this building, the rooms have different heights and their limits are at different levels. Let's see how the plugin handles this. The architecture is attached as usual as a link. Let's add shared parameters that our plugin needs for calculation. Then we create spaces by duplicating rooms from the architectural file. Next, we add some parameters necessary for the calculation. Each room has parameters responsible for the calculation. We can enter them directly into each room manually or use Revit schedules. We input values for internal temperature, information about lighting, people, electrical equipment, infiltration, and any other additional cooling loads. After this, we collect an energy model. Then we open the collected model. This is how the collected energy model looks like. We can turn off the visibility of levels or various elements of the model and make sure that the plugin correctly collects our building with rooms of different heights and different levels. We can select any element and check all the information about it. All external surfaces should be yellow and internal ones, green. Then, we open Tevmo plugin calculations in Revit, and now we can see automatically generated user surfaces types. We can click on any of them and all elements of that type will be highlighted on the model. Now we can see slab assembly. This is roof assembly. Then we look at the curtain wall assembly. This is underground wall assembly. Next, we see external wall assembly. At last, we see internal wall assembly. We can set any U values for all these types. We can also assign each element any other type. For example, let's change the type of these doors to curtain wall. Let's click on this group of doors and assign them a new type. We can ensure that the required surfaces are assigned a new type. We see that now the selected doors no longer belong to the door assembly, but now they belong to the curtain wall assembly. Now we can move on to the calculations. The plugin can provide 3 types of reports. Let's look at the report in Excel. The first table shows the calculation results for each floor. The second table contains the calculation results for each zone and space. Next, let's look at the visual report and open the model in New tab. Here we select the report model. We can see our energy model, but now surfaces with heat gains are painted in different shades of red. If we click on any surface, we will get access to all the information about the heat gains through that surface. Finally, let's look at the last report type, the gbXML model. We see that the model exports correct. With this report we can transfer all collected data to HVAC, EnergyPlus, IES or Solar Computer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.